Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's episode it is how to create a product to sell. Don't worry, Adekunle Adeola got you. In this video, I will show you how you can create your own personal digital course to sell and how you can monetize it. You don't need any expensive tools. All you just need is your smartphone and AI plus your data connection, and voila, you have your digital product. I know you are wondering, like, I don't have an idea of what to sell. I don't know how to start. I don't know how to make money online. I have searched and tired of how I can do it. You are frustrated. I understand. And you need money, but you have no idea about how to look for the money, how to create something to sell to the people, how to source for what people actually need. And I'll be showing you how to create your own digital product to sell. This video will come in 4 different steps. Step 1 is how to know the niche you were to pick. Step 2 is how to know what to do. Step 3 is how to identify the people that have the problem you want to solve. Step 4 is how to create the product. You will need to take your jotter and your pen to jot down this video because this is a full course on how to know what to sell and how to create a product to sell. These steps will be practical and I will explain everything in details on how you can get started. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, I am Adekunle Adeola. On this channel, I talked about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, how to start and grow your business from scratch to a monetization point. If that is what you're looking for, smash on that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notifications. Like this video and share it. I will start with the most trending niches. Before you think of what to sell, before you think of the problem you can solve, you know your capability, you know your strengths. There is 4 niches that is so monetizable. There is 4 niches that people actually talked about and people make so much money from it. So pick your pen right now and jot down these niches because you're going to need it when you want to create your own product. The first niches is relationship. People actually have problem with relationship. Is either someone is single, struggling to get a man for ourselves, or struggling to get a woman for himself. That is number one. Number two about relationship is there is one person out there seeking for help on how to make their marriage works, how to make their relationship works. So that is number one niche. Imagine you are a consultant. Imagine you create a product on relationship, on how to fix a marriage, how to fix a relationship, how to talk to your spouse, how to handle disputes in relationship or in marriage. Imagine you have that product that can solve this problem. This is a product number one. From the first niche, I actually create a 3 to 4 products in this one niches. The second niche is money. You heard me right. Everybody needs money. You need money. That is why you're watching this video. Hi, Adekunle Adeola needs money. That is why I have come to help you because there is money in creating value. How do you make money? It's come in 2 steps. Step 1 is solve a problem. Step 2 is render a services. Step 3 is sell a product. You as an individual, you as a person, you cannot be buying outside, spending money out without receiving back. Which means as you're buying something from someone, people must also buy things from you. It's a law of money. As you are spending out, make sure you're receiving back. So as an individual, as a person, what are you doing to make that money? So this second steps is actually what we are going to finally come back to at our finished steps because yes, you actually need money and you don't know how to go about it. You don't know how to create a product to sell. That is why we are making this video. The third niche is health. People are going through a lot out there. Imagine you are in a position to solve somebody else's problem. Health niches is a niche that never dies. The reason is because people fall sick. I pray you and I do not fall sick, but then it happens. This is nature generally. We work ourselves out, being stressed out, and need some certain relaxations, some certain medication to be fit. As an individual that wants to sell a product, if you find a product around X niche and you create a product out there for somebody that have the problem you want to solve, then you're making money. You are not only spending money out there, you're also receiving back. as an individual. So the fourth one is edutain. Edutain actually come in two forms. Create a product that entertain people and educate people at the same time. That is also the niches. Just to make sure as they are giving out that product is helping them solve their problem and is entertaining them at the same time. They will come to you. These are the first steps. The second steps is how to create a real product to sell. Number one, figure out what you are good at. At the first step, I give out four niches you can work with, and if you don't have any ideas at all, then let's make sure we work around your talents, because yes, everybody is created with talents. God created us with one or two things that we know how to do best. All you have to do is figure that thing out and work on it. But two in my step two is update yourself to an expert level. Let's say you want to pick a niche around relationship. Obviously, every one of us have been in one or two relationships in the past or currently in the relationship. So we have an idea of what relationship problem are. We have an idea of what relationship is. Now, you already have an idea. So all you have to do is go to an expert to learn more about what relationship is all about. Oh, because yes, you actually need an expert to teach you how you can handle disputes between couples, relationships, how you can make relationship work as a consultant, the relationship advisor. If you need to take courses to update yourself to an expert level, if you need to go to school, to become an expert in that particular thing you already know about, if you need to learn the skills to update yourself on that particular thing you are good about, then do it. Number three in my step two is find problem you can solve with your learning skills. These are very, very interesting, because after you find your passion, you update yourself to an expert level, then find problem you can solve with that skills. And that is very simple, because we are in the modern age, an internet age, where you can monetize your skill easily. Where you can just go out there, talk about things, and people will come to you to ask you for help on the topic you're talking about. It is simple to monetize whatever skills you have now. So just make sure you pick one of those skills. The most important one in my step two is turn your solution into a valuable product and make it accessible to people. Give it out for free and sell the real solution. Give it out for free in a way that you're creating content to solve somebody's problem. They will come to you. I said it earlier. They will actually come back to you to ask you, okay, we actually need help on this particular topic or this particular content you've shared, and you have the solution. All you just have to do is sell the solution to them, because you already give away a free value. So let's move on to the step three, which is the most important part. The part where we'll be creating the product to sell. Calm down. Relax. I know you were panic. You're panic and you were like, how? I don't know how to create a product. I don't know how to create a digital product. Calm down, relax. I got you. Even if you don't have an idea of how to create a digital product, I, Adekunle Adiola, got you. If you haven't subscribed on this channel, smash on that subscribe button and turn on your notifications, because at the end of this video, it's worth watching. So let's move on to the next part, which will be a practical part of these videos. Okay, for the sake of, we want to know what people are currently searching for. You want to create your own product, go for what people are searching for. For you to know what people are searching for, go to your Google Chrome browser, type Google Trend. By doing this, you will know what people are currently searching for. Rating from any niche you want to pick, you will find out what is trending here. Click on Google Trend and come to this search bar. All you have to do right here is put your keywords. Let's say you want to search for relationship. Relationship is my top topic, because yes, we all need one or two relationships. Right here, you can choose your country. Here, you can choose the days you want. Here, you can choose your category. And here, you can choose websites you want to check, either Facebook, Google Trend, top search on YouTube, top search on Google, top search on Twitter. You can check it right here. So first one is, if you want to check any country, maybe you want to check what is trending in the US, you can use this first one. The second one is days. What is trending in 5 days ago, 1 month ago, 3 weeks ago. You can use the second arrow. The third arrow is where you can check your category: health, niches, news, anything, just click on this category, and here is the web search. So I have put relationship in search bar, and this is Nigeria. So let's check this sub-region and topics that is trending. So this is related topic, this is related query. So this is it right here, meaning of toxic relationship. That one is rating plus 110%. Opening relationship meaning, so this is 110%. Platonic relationship, this is 70%. Deal breaker in relationship, this is 60%. Trust format in relationship. So you can check the next things to talk about in relationship. Relationship by Boy Spice. All these things are topic. Now we have a trend in Nigeria. This is past days in Nigeria. So let's say we want to pick a topic from here, because these are things people are searching for. If you are not in Nigeria, you can choose other country. If you don't want to, sell to Nigeria, or if you are not living in Nigeria, you can check other country by changing your country. I have shown you earlier. So let's say we want to take deal breaker in a relationship as a topic we want to work with. Okay, we want to pick a relationship niche and we want to write on deal breaker in relationship. So let's head on to the next step. Do is go to OpenAI, because that is where we're creating our products. When I told you to relax, I got you. You thought I was joking. Okay, now we are here. This is ChatGPT. We'll be using ChatGPT to create our digital products. So even if you don't have an idea, I got you. We've choose a topic that people are currently searching for. Let's ask ChatGPT to create a product for us with this particular topic that is trending that we want to choose. So ChatGPT, I want you to create an outline of a topic titled Deal Breaker of a Relationship. So let's see what ChatGPT has for us. So voila, we have an outline on this topic we want to write. So let's see, deal breaker in relationship, knowing when to stay or walk away. The outline, introduction parts, purpose of the book, why recognize this breaker is essential, the difference between compromised and non-negotiables. So chapter 1, define a deal breaker. What are deal breaker? How they differ from pet peeve or temporary issues. Understanding your outline, value and limits. You can see this is amazing. This is interesting. That's it. We have a full outline here. After you've done this, we go to the next step. All you just have to do is copy all of this and paste it in one place. So the first thing you want to do now is go to your Play Store. So go to the search bar and type Google Docs. This is the one we want to use. So download it. So after downloading it, we already have our outline that we created with AI. So all you have to do now is open this Google Docs that you downloaded from Play Store on your phone. Come to this plus button right here. Click on it and create new document. After creating new documents, go to the title and put your product title. The title of this product is Deal Breaker in a Relationship. So write OK. We are going back to ChatGPT to create our first line of our product. So let's do that immediately. Tell ChatGPT to write your table of contents. In every book there is always a table of contents. So let's go to ChatGPT to write table of contents for this book. Now I ask ChatGPT to write table of contents for this book. So let's wait while ChatGPT generates our table of contents. Now you have it. Absolutely, here is a clean professional table of contents for book Deal Breaker in a Relationship. See, ChatGPT, we do all the work for you. Know when to stay or walk away. This is it right here. So in a formatted way, can you see that? Since we have our table of contents now, let's start writing our book. If you can't do this, I don't know what you're waiting for. The first thing you want to do is choose it one after the other. Table of contents involve introductions. So we have our introduction part here. Why this book matters. What are deal breakers? The cost of ignoring red flags. So there is nothing you want to tell me because this is so detailed. Copy this first one, which is why this book matters, the introduction part, and put it in ChatGPT to create probably 1,000 words, 500 words, any words you want ChatGPT to create. Now let's do that immediately. Copy, put it here. Now after copying this, I tell ChatGPT, I want you to write 1,000 words for the above and make sure it is well detailed. So let's see what ChatGPT has for us. We want to create our first line of our book. This is it. Why this book matters. This is amazing. So this is it. We have our 1000 words right here. If you have word count, you can take it to where you can do the word count. This is it. We have it. So this is the first step, and this is what you will be repeating till you finish the writing of your books. So let me take it to where we want to use this. The first thing I want to do is take the table of contents to our Google Docs. After you copy it, let's go back to our Google Docs where we create our book. I want to remove this one because we have a formatted table of contents. Select all and paste. This is it. So we have our table of contents. We have our first line of book. See, the formatting part is very, very important. After you copy and paste your work from ChatGPT and bring it to Docs, make sure you formatted it very well. Clean formatting. Like, go through it over and over again to format it. So the first thing I want to do is remove the write-up that we copied from ChatGPT. Remove it from here. Make sure it is well formatted. Delete all these unwanted parts. So this is what we have after I deleted all the unwanted parts. We have a clean table of contents, and we have this right here too. Why this book matters. The introduction part. This is where the work lies, the formatting part. Now, people don't like to read a congested book. All you just have to do right here is, look where to space it. Check where you need to space. Check where you need to put a paragraph to it. Make sure it is well spaced. These are the parts I told you to format. Make sure you check it very well so that your book can be well formatted. Okay, now let's format this like a normal digital book used to look like. Come to this sign here, this particular one, and click on it. Highlight this table of contents. Come here, this normal text, click on it. Choose heading 1. See, when I choose heading, it makes the table of contents bold. But if you don't want it to be bold, you can highlight it again. Go back to that and choose the heading you want. Maybe it's 2 or 3. It depends on your size. You can increase the line spacing. You can decrease it. Add page break. I already have this page break. That is how you can format. If you want to know your word count, come to this 3 arrow up here. So click on it. Scroll down. This is it, word count. And your page setup, you can click on this. How you want it to be. Is it pageless? If you want it to be pageless, click on this. What size do you want? Is it paper size? Is it A4 paper? Do you want the background to be not white? Want to change the background to something else? This is it right here. You can just choose any color of the background you want from here. The orientation, is it portrait or landscape? Some books, when you open it, it will open in landscape, but now we want portrait for this class. We have our first line of the book. So let's take our time to read a little bit about this thing that we wrote. You can hire someone to do the proofreading for you, and if you can go ahead and do that. Why this book matters. Relationship at the core of human experience. They have the power to uplift, heal, and inspire us. They can also hurt, deplete, and destroy when we ignore the warning signs. We often enter romantic partnership full of hope, dreams, and a desire for connections. But somewhere along the way, many people find themselves lost in confusion, stuck in patterns of pains, or quietly enduring relationships that no longer serve their emotions, mental, or even physical well-being. This book exists for one very important reason: to help you recognize when love is no longer healthy, and to empower you to act on that truth. So with this few points of mine, I hope I have been able to convince you, not confuse you, that this is the best thing you could do for yourself. Make sure you read your book before you actually think of sending it out for people. Do the same thing over and over again. I hope I am able to convince you, not convinced you, that this is the best digital product you could create for yourself without stress, without problem, without thinking of I don't know what to say. All you just have to do is walk around what you already know. So you can actually give this copy out as a gift. You can give it out as a value to help the community. So there are so many things you can do after creating your digital product so that people will benefit from it. Let's move on to creating our paperback, because yes, you can actually do it. I've shown you how you can create your digital courses. So let me show you how you can share it with people. Click on this 3 icon and download. So you will download after you are done writing your book. So I just want to show you because I don't want this video to be too long. if your products come out in Google Docs, so come to www.ilovepdf.com to convert it to PDF. So let's move on to creating our paperback. If you want to create your paperback, you need one thing. You need Canva. Canva is the best and simple free tools to create your paperback. So let's go to Canva. So here is Canva. Just come to this search bar and type book cover. So Canva have free templates for you that you can use to create your own book cover. You can choose a blank space to create from scratch, and you can choose a template and edit it to your preferred design. So for the sake of tutorial, I will be using a template. So come back to design. Canva have series of design you can use. So let's check romance if there is anything we can use from this. These are templates you can. So mind you, if you are using free version, this is their pro version. So I think I like this one, the background and everything. So all you just have to do is edit this to your preferable taste, and voila, you have your book cover. So let's edit this to our preferable taste. Our title is Deal Breaker in Relationship. Let's change this. So let's change the font to something else. Play around the font and choose your preferable font size. You can change the color of the text too. You can reduce the font size. The subtitle is knowing when to stay or walk away. So knowing when to stay or walk away. Okay, this name now you can change it to your own name. So let's go to elements. I'll choose this and put it right here. And I'll change the color to black so that the stuff will be a little bit colorful. I'll make this yellow and take it backward so that the words underneath it can come out. So let's do that. Just make sure you walk around it, you play around it, make sure it's aligned, because that is important too. I want to change the text color so that we can all see what is written on the text. So I change the text color to black. I'm not a graphic design, so you can design your own and make it more beautiful, or give it to a graphic design to do that for you. We have our paperback. So I wish you best of luck. All you have to do now is download this and go and include it in your docs. You can download as PDF standard, because you might need to upload it in some other websites. But as for this, I'll be downloading in JPEG or PNG. After downloading your paperback, come back to your docs file and to add your image, click on this plus sign. This is it right here. Add image from photos. It depends on where you store your images, so anywhere you store it, this is it right here. We have our image here. So it depends on where you want to have it. If you want to have it at the middle of this book, you can do that. If you want to have it at the upper part, you can do that. So this is amazing. We have our paperback right inside our books. So this is it here. So you just have to save it and voila. This is our book is ready. So this is how you can create a digital product. So subscribe to my channel. On my next video, I will show you how you can monetize this product you have created. Welcome back, guys. I hope you learned so much from this video from my step 1 and step 2. Then we come to the final part, which is the step 3 of how to create this product. So if you have learned something, you gain value, put your opinion down there, put your comments down there, like this video as well. Your opinion really counts on this channel. You know, I always say this, you really matters on this channel. Yeah, because you are the people that make this channel exist. Put your opinion down there, put your comment down there. I would appreciate it. Like this video as well, and make sure you turn on your notification. In my next video, I will create a video on how you can monetize this product, because I don't want this video to be too long, because it's already too long. So on my next video, I will create a videos on how you can sell this particular product globally. I will create a digital store where people can buy this product you've created. So all you just have to do is smash on the subscribe button like this video and turn on your notification because I don't want you to miss any part of my videos. I love you and I will see you in my next video. Bye.